Section 600.6 addresses specific requirements for electric discharge lighting. Twist lock photocells are not typically compliant with these requirements. To understand why, let's break down the key aspects of Section 600.6 and how they relate to twist lock photocells. Firstly, Section 600.6 generally requires that electric discharge lighting systems, including those controlled by photocells, must have a disconnecting means that opens all ungrounded conductors. This disconnecting means needs to be readily accessible and either be part of the lighting fixture or located within sight of the lighting fixture or be capable of being locked in the open position. A twist lock photocell by itself doesn't inherently provide this disconnecting means. It's simply a sensor that turns the light on or off based on ambient light levels. Secondly, Code Section 600.6 typically requires the lighting fixture to be marked with the input voltage, current, and frequency, along with the minimum supply wire ampacity and any special instructions for installation or maintenance. Twist lock photocells themselves don't have these markings because they are not the lighting fixture itself. They are merely a component that controls the fixture. Thirdly, Section 600.6 addresses the protection of the electrical components from the weather if the lighting fixture is installed outdoors, including protection from rain, snow, and physical damage. Twist lock photocells being exposed to the elements need to be specifically listed for outdoor use and installed in a manner that protects them and the connected wiring from the environment. However, this protection alone doesn't fulfill the requirements of Section 600.6 regarding disconnection means. Let's consider an example of a typical installation using a twist lock photocell. An electrician might install a light fixture outdoors to illuminate a parking lot. The light fixture is wired to a junction box, and a twist lock photocell is installed on top of the fixture or nearby to control when a light turns on. While the photocell automatically switches the light based on darkness, it does not provide a means to disconnect all ungrounded conductors for maintenance or safety purposes. To meet the requirements of Section 600.6, a separate disconnecting switch would need to be installed, either within sight of the fixture or capable of being locked in the open position. This switch would allow a worker to safely de-energize the lighting fixture before performing any maintenance or repairs. In essence, twist lock photocells serve a control function, but they don't inherently include the safety features required by Section 600.6. Therefore, additional components such as a disconnecting switch or circuit breaker are necessary to achieve full compliance. It's important to consult the specific requirements of the local electrical code and any applicable amendments, as interpretations and enforcement may vary. Some jurisdictions may have specific rules or exceptions regarding the use of twist lock photocells. However, as a general rule, twist lock photocells alone are not sufficient to meet the requirements of Section 600.6. Always consult with a qualified electrical inspector to ensure that your installation is safe and compliant. When selecting a photocell, ensure it is listed for its intended environment, whether it is indoor or outdoor. Outdoor photocells are designed to withstand the elements such as rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. Check the photocell's voltage and current ratings to ensure they are compatible with the lighting fixture it will be controlling. Using an incorrectly rated photocell can damage the photocell or the lighting fixture, or create a fire hazard. Make sure that the photocell's operating voltage matches the voltage of the lighting circuit. Common voltages are 120 volts, 208 volts, 277 volts, and 480 volts. Select a photocell with a suitable turn-on and turn-off delay to prevent the light from flickering due to momentary changes in light levels, such as passing headlights. Some photocells have adjustable delay settings. Consider the mounting location and choose a photocell with a compatible mounting base. Twist lock photocells are commonly used for outdoor lighting fixtures. Button photocells are often used for indoor or enclosed lighting fixtures. In addition to selecting the right photocell, it is important to install it correctly. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and all applicable electrical codes. Turn off the power to the circuit before installing or replacing a photocell. This will prevent electrical shock. Connect the wires correctly according to the wiring diagram. Incorrect wiring can damage the photocell or the lighting fixture, or create a fire hazard. Protect the photocell from physical damage. Do not install it in a location where it can be easily hit or crushed. Inspect the photocell regularly for signs of damage. Replace it if it is cracked, broken, or otherwise damaged. Regular maintenance can help to extend the life of the photocell and ensure it continues to operate safely and reliably. Keep the photocell clean. Dust and dirt can block the photocell sensor and prevent it from working properly. Wipe the photocell with a clean, dry cloth as needed. Check the photocell's wiring connections periodically to ensure they are still tight and secure. Loose connections can cause the photocell to malfunction or create a fire hazard. Consider using a surge protector to protect the photocell from power surges. Power surges can damage the photocell-sensitive electronic components. Replace the photocell when it reaches the end of its service life. The service life of a photocell varies depending on the manufacturer and the operating conditions. Consult the manufacturer's instructions for more information. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical equipment. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to install or replace the photocell. Remember, while a twist-lock photocell provides automatic control of lighting, it doesn't fulfill the disconnection requirements of Section 600.6. Ensure additional safety measures are in place for compliance.